Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through the login process of Butterfield Banking app. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So once your Butterfield Banking app is downloaded and installed, tap on it to open the application. At the top, there's a field labeled username. Here you will enter the username associated with your Butterfield Online Banking account. And just below that is the password field. Enter your secure login password to proceed. So to the right of the password box, you will find a show password icon, usually represented by an eye. Tap this if you want to see the characters you're typing for accuracy. So if you have forgotten your password, just tap forgot password and it will let you reset your password through a secure verification process. Some versions of the app may also include links like protect your accounts and FAQs. Use this to reach customer service or view support options. And here's an important option. Right below the login fields, you'll see a toggle for enable alternate login. If you toggle this on, you'll be able to log in with alternate methods such as fingerprint recognition or Face ID if your device supports it for faster and more secure access. But for now, I'll be skipping this one. And yes, once you have entered your login details, tap the login button to access your account. And yes, that's your full walkthrough of the login process in the Butterfield Banking app. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick app guides.